everyone, this is Ishant here. In this video tutorial we will be learning about the arithmetic operations on series. Arithmetic operations means the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All such operations are categorized under arithmetic operations. So let's try to write a program for performing the arithmetic operations based on the series. So before writing the arithmetic operations program, we have to import pandas, as we are going to perform the arithmetic operations on pandas. So import pandas, as I give alias say pd. Okay, after that, sorry, not pandas but pandas. Okay, then let's try to create a series object. I am creating here say capital A equals to pd dot series 45, 90, 120 along with the index values. Now let me copy it and create another series. Say series A was there, let's say series B is here. Okay, I am going to rename it, just a minute. Okay, now I am again changing the content here, say 5, 9 and say 12. Okay, so here please make a note here. Here the index has 3 elements P, E and L. In the same way, in the second series we have also 3 elements, say P, E and L. And since all are in same sequence, in the first position P is there, here is also P in first position, here E is in second position, so here you will also get E in second position, and here L is in third position, so here L is also in third position. Okay, it means the output generated must be in a sequence of P, E, L. Now what we can do here to perform arithmetic operation, either we can directly add A and B together and print it result, or we can take another variable say C and stores the values of additions of A and B to the another variable say C, and then let's try to print. Let's see what happens. Okay, when I will run this one, I will come to know that I have P equals to 50, E equals to 99 and L equals to 132. Why? Let's check. The index P represents the first element of the list, and here 45 is also representing the same thing. It is associated with P. In the same way 5 is associated with P, so this P will be added to this P, and since both are in first position is printed. If both are in second position is printed, and if both are in third position will be printed as per the index defined along with the added values or the arithmetic operation performed values. Here addition is performed, so 45 plus 5 50, 90 plus 9 99, 120 plus 12 132. Since it is of integer data type, so I am using integer. Suppose that if I write here 9.1, so what will happen? Okay, the data type will be changed to float. Why? Because 9.1 here 0.1 represents the float value, therefore the answer is now changed to, the data type is now changed to float 64. I am going to undo it. Okay, so basically the output was here written. Suppose that what will happen if I interchange any of the values to each other. Say in series B, suppose that I am interchanging P to E, it means say not E, P to L. Say I am changing P here and L here. Now what will happen? Let's try to execute this program and check. Here you will note that when you have interchanged the values, okay, the index values are printed in alphabetical order. It means when the index values are present in both the series but not in the same sequence, then the output generated index will be the alphabetical order, in the alphabetical order. Clear? Then the output generated will be in the alphabetical order along with the corresponding values are added. Say this P is 45. Clear? And what is the value of P in this list? 12. Clear? So 45 plus 12 will be 57. In the same way, E, here E represents 90, and again here E represents 9, so the answer is 99. Here the third element L represents 120. Sorry. In the same way, the first element L represents 5 here, so the total is 125. So in this way we can conclude the addition. Now what will happen if I place a missing value here? Suppose that instead of writing say P, okay, what will happen if I write here K? So let me run it. Okay, when you will insert K here, what will happen? It will again print the series in alphabetical order, but only the difference will be there. Here the Python will not understand that to whom P is to be added, because P is present in the first list but not in the second list. Similarly, K is present in the second list but not in the first list, so no data value is assigned here. Because of that, the missing values are represented here, and the missing values are represented in NaN. NaN means not a number. Clear? Also, we already know that when a NaN is implemented, automatically in the output the data type is converted into float 64. When the NaN is included, or when the NaN is generated in the output of the program, then the data type is automatically changed to float 64. Clear? What will happen again if I eliminate K from here? Again it will print the same output. Suppose that if I write here P and E, now what will happen if I eliminate L? Will it print in alphabetical order? Okay, let us check. So here you will come to know that we are going to have an error here. Why? Because the number of index we have passed here is 2, and the data elements are 3. Suppose that if I eliminate 12 also here. Now let me try to execute this one. Just a minute, let me close it. Okay, now let us try to execute this one. Okay, so here you will come to know that again, whenever the values are missing, also the alphabetical order is printed. It means the alphabetical order will be printed only and only when the index values are missing in the corresponding series, or when they are not in the same order. If they are in the same order, the same index values will be printed, else they will be arranged in the alphabetical order. The same operations can be performed in the subtraction also. Okay, suppose you want to perform the subtraction operator, so in case of minus you will also get the same result. And suppose that you want to perform the say the multiplication here, so I will write here multiply operation, so A into B. So in this way you can perform also the multiplication also, and also you can perform the divide also. Clear? So in this way you can perform all kinds of operations in this program. So this was the basic concept for building the arithmetic operations on the series. I hope you have got the concept. If you have any doubts regarding this, please let me know in the comment section, and let's try to learn the new concept. Okay, that is the filling the missing values. Suppose that here NaN is the missing value, okay, and how we will add it or how we will fill this missing value, we are going to look the concept in the next upcoming video. So please be connected, and if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thank you, have a nice day ahead, take care.